Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Sweet Barbecue, and today we're grilling up a Nashville hot chicken sandwich on the Memphis Pro Cart ITC3. First thing I like to do is mix up the spiced chili oil, so here's how we do that. We're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cayenne powder in a small cast iron pan. Then we're gonna add 2 teaspoons each of garlic powder and onion powder. We also want to add 1 teaspoon of paprika and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Last but not least, we're going to add half a cup of olive oil and set aside. Then it's time to prepare the frying mix, and here's the steps. We're going to crack 2 brown eggs in a small bowl. Then we're going to add about 2/3 of a cup of evaporated milk. Then we want to beat this mixture thoroughly until mixed. We also need to add 2 tablespoons of baking powder to a big aluminum pan. You also need to add 2 tablespoons of paprika. We also want to add 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon each of pepper and salt. And last but not least, 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt, and then we want to mix this thoroughly. The chili is ready, the frying mix is ready. It's time to get the chicken trimmed. We're gonna start by trimming 4 boneless and skinless chicken thighs, and we're gonna remove any silver skin or excess fat. Then we're gonna triple dip them, which means 1 dip in flour, 1 dip in the egg mixture, and then back into the flour again and set aside. So the chicken thighs are now breaded, so it's time to light up the Memphis Wood Fire Grill and get to grilling. We're gonna set the grill to 375 degrees, and we wanna use fruit wood pellets for this cook. Now we're gonna place the breaded chicken thighs on the upper rack to allow good air circulation, and we wanna cook the chicken for about 15 minutes. Then we're gonna flip them over and cook them until done. You also wanna place the cast iron pan in the grill and make sure that the oil is really heated up. We're gonna remove the chicken thighs from the grill, then we wanna brush both sides of the chicken thighs with the spiced chili oil. Then it's time to build the sandwiches. We're gonna start by piling some shredded lettuce on the bottom of the brioche bun, and then we wanna add 1 piece of the spicy chicken on top of each bun. Next, we're gonna top them with a generous serving of dill pickle chips. Then these beautiful Nashville hot chicken sandwiches are ready to serve. And that is how I make my grilled Nashville hot chicken sandwich on the Memphis Pro Cart ITC3. Now, if you like this recipe, please subscribe to Memphis Wood Fire Grill's YouTube channel or check out their website, memphisgrills.com, for more recipes like this. Now, I think the only thing left to do is to dive into this sandwich and see what it tastes like, and it looks amazing, so here we go. Packed with flavor, it's hot. I hope you like it. Happy grilling.